those of you that don't know what the Turbosmart Flying 500 Workshop Battle is, it's very simple. Some of the quickest and coolest street cars in Australia are sent down the front straight at World Time Attack Challenge for some entertainment and see who can go the fastest. Now, the guys from Turbosmart invite workshops that are dealers for Turbosmart products, and then they choose the customers' cars that they want to bring to battle it out. Now, thanks to our relationship with Turbosmart after the last 15 years, we got an invite for our R32 GTR to compete this year. Now, normally an 800 horsepower GTR that runs 9s would be considered fast, but in the Flying 500, our car really is David versus Goliath, as there is some absolute monsters competing. Let's check out what happened on day one.
Yeah, buddy. All 4 runs, back to back. Street car, loves it.
Are you joking?
No.
That did 275.
I think so, yeah.
That's hectic.
Yeah, it is hectic. He got it.
I've only got one record, the person that stayed in it the longest.
And who's that?
Me. That's my record for the day.
I was watching, I'm going, I guess you're going to button off this or what?
All right, that's the Flying 500 by Turbosmart, done and dusted. I think I hit 247. Not bad for a little 790 horsepower G35 Garrett on it. So pretty happy with that. Did 4 runs back to back, so it proves it works as a street car. So yeah, time to go jump back in the Supra and get back out for club sprint again. Let's go. Well, our GTR performed flawlessly on day one of the Turbosmart Flying 500. 4 runs back to back. It was one of only a handful of cars to do so, and hit 247 kilometres per hour over that distance, which for a roll-on over that short distance is pretty good for the power that it has. Now, going into day 2, my goal was to try and crack 250 kilometres per hour. Let's see if we did it.
EJ, you obviously know people. You're a last-minute Flying 500 entry, right? What happened?
Oh, mate, just they felt I need the need for speed. So, roll on, baby.
Do you have a cigar ready for this time?
150,000%.
Silly question. Have you got everything? Today, everything. Today.
Oh, we don't use nitrous.
scale of 1 to 10, how scary was staying in it for that long?
Very scary.
Do you know where you placed it? You know what happened?
Not yet. Don't know.
What'd you run?
No, I'm not sure yet.
280 something?
284 or
That's
something.
hectic, dude.
Yeah.
A little 2.8, bro.
Maybe 2.8.
2.8. Hey, Alex, I heard it's secretly it's a 3.2 in there, not a 2.8.
Yeah, bravo, it is.
Bravo.
It's only a little 2.8 Street Fighter,
How much
mate.
nitrous was in it?
Not much, to be honest.
50, 100?
100.
That's enough.
To be fair, 100. Yeah.
That's just get on boost nitrous, mate.
Pretty much, yeah. And just to cool it down a little bit, because that intake temps get a little bit...
Mate, you've punched above your weight division here, 2.8 manual.
Yeah.
Amongst all this, and you're up towards the front. So.
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah, we're very happy, very happy.
Awesome, man.
Would have been good to have one more run, but it's all good.
We always want one more.
Yeah, it's all good. It happens.
All right, Cootamundra next.
We'll be there.
See ya. Thanks, bro. Good work, man.
Well, once again, the Turbosmart Flying 500 was a heap of fun and great to get our GTR out in front of all of the World Time Attack spectators, and some of our viewers and fans could see the car in action in real life. Congratulations to the guys from Precision Racing taking out first and third in the twin-turbo Lamborghini Huracans. But how is Birong Automotive's on-song R32 GTR? Justin's little 2.6 block Godzilla was able to go second outright at that event. That's pretty impressive stuff for a 2.8 litre R32 GTR. Got to put your hats off to that thing. What an absolute weapon. So now we look forward to the 2023 Turbosmart Flying 500. Hopefully next time we're no longer a David, we become a Goliath as well.